Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn JavaScript async and defer keywords. So let's see how we are going to integrating external JavaScript file to our HTML or any other programming language files where we need to use external resources of JavaScript programs. Let's see the advantages and features which are available with these two keywords. There are actually two modern features we can use to bypass the problem of the blocking scripts while loading the pages. So these are the very latest and modern things. Two keywords are introduced in JavaScript. So which are already we saw on earlier, a defer keyword to using and integrating and loading in a page. So let's look at the difference between these two. Scripts loaded, usually the async attribute will download the script without blocking the page while the script is being fetched. However, once the download is complete, the script will execute, which blocks of the page from rendering. Rendering is nothing but getting or pulling. You get no guarantee that script will run in any specific order. So there is no guarantee. It is better to use async when the scripts in the page run independently. The script is there and the script is not dependent to any other DOM object which is depending only for a specific HTML element. Then you need to use async. Async attribute to import the external JavaScript file. So here, so the scripts of the page run independently from each other depending on no other scripts in the page. Then you use like a async keyword to import the JavaScript files. Scripts loaded with the defer using like a defer attribute will load in a order they appear on the page. How you've written order 1, 2, 3, 4 line wise importing links you may prepare like a script tags. Based on the order, the defer using the defer keyword, the script will be downloaded like loaded in the page which you have opened or accessed in your browser. They won't run until the page content has all loaded, which is useful to your scripts depend on the DOM being places. They modify one or more elements in the page. So async, let's see a simple visualization I have given here. So script tag, async keyword, maybe start or end also you may write. Source, which is the JavaScript vendor JS and JS, 3 scripts I have introduced here. Similarly, using defer keyword, instead of async, we are using simply replacing with the defer keyword. That's it. This is the writing style. And now important points to remember while using async and defer keywords. So async and defer both instruct the browser to download the scripts. Both are a separate thread while the rest of the page the DOM objects etc. which is downloading. So the page loading is not blocking during the fetch process. Fetch process means external page JavaScript file or program is there which is going to be fetching and downloading into the current HTML page or current web page. It may be HTML or it may be ASP.NET page or Java JSP pages or any other page. Scripts with async attribute will execute as soon as the download is complete. This block of the page does not guarantee any specific execution order. So scripts with the defer keyword attribute will load order by how you have written the step-by-step files from first, second, third. The same way it will fetch and download. Once it is complete, like everything is finished to downloading, then it will be execute. If your script should run immediately and they don't have any dependency, use the async keyword to import the things. If your scripts needs to wait and parsing depending on other scripts, then DOM being to be placed. load them using differ keyword, put their corresponding scripts orderly. So the browser will understand and execute to avoiding this downloading and fetching issues. Clearly you will get accurate functionality in your program, JavaScript program. I hope it's a very clear explanation I have given for async and differ keywords, which you comfortable, you need to use and apply in your real world programs. Thank you.